Okay, hi everyone. Today we're going to make some chocolate biscuit cake. So what you'll need is a dish and some cling film. You'll need a bowl to mix it all up with and a spoon and a sealable plastic bag. And then you'll need a tin of condensed milk, but I couldn't find any, so I've got 2 squeezy tubes. And then you need a couple of bars of chocolate, or maybe you've got some leftover Easter eggs that you could melt. Some digestive biscuits. I could only get ones with chocolate on, so at least they'll be doubly chocolatey, that's okay. And some sprinkles to go on top, or you might want to put some raisins in it, or you might put some mini marshmallows in it. Whatever you want to add to it, you can. Okay, so the first thing I need to do is wash my hands. I've already washed my hands, so that's okay. And then we need to break up all our chocolate into the bowl. Okay, and then I'm going to melt that in the microwave so it goes all nice and gooey. Okay, while that's melting, I'm just going to get my dish ready. So I'm going to just line it with some cling film so it's not going to stick. Okay, pop that in there. Okay, now the next bit's the fun bit. So I need to put my biscuits in the plastic bag. We'll put about half in and spread them out. Make sure there's a bit too much air in there, get the air out. Then I'm going to smash them all with my rolling pin. Whoops. This is quite fun, isn't it? I'll put the rest in. So my chocolate's all melted now and lovely. So I'm going to pour my biscuits in. Give it a mix around, and then if you wanted to, you could put some raisins in or some dried fruit. I haven't got any, unfortunately. Or you can put some marshmallows in, or Smarties, or Maltesers. Lots of things you could put in. Lovely. And then we're going to pop in our condensed milk. Squeeze that in. Okay, I'm going to pour that into my dish. and then just squish it down. It's nice and flat. Then you can decorate it with whatever you want. It's very good for using leftover sweets from your Easter eggs or mini eggs. I'm going to put sprinkles on the top of mine. I'm just going to push them down a bit so they stick. Okay, then I'm just going to pop that in the fridge to cool down and set, and then we can cut it up and eat it later. So here we go, guys. I've cut it all up into squares. I let it set in the fridge and it's all done now. Done that. So see if you can experiment, see what you can add, maybe add some raisins, some of your favourite things. And if you've got a good idea for something else we can cook, let me know and we'll try and cook it. Or maybe you could share your own recipe with the rest of the class and make your own video or write down your own instructions. See you soon.